During the height of the COVID-19 global pandemic, people all around the world were tuned into the news for some hopeful updates. However, humanity's fight against the contagion did not deter Australia's bushfire season. In 2019, people watched Australia burn. According to the Australian Institute for Disaster Resilience, the 2019 to 2020 bushfire season was the worst that New South Wales has ever recorded. In just a few months, 26 lives were lost, 2,448 homes were destroyed, and 5.5 million hectares of land was burnt. There was an estimated $5 billion in damages, agricultural systems were destroyed, people had health complications from the haze that spread across major cities, and local wildlife either lost their homes or their lives. In retrospect, the question remained, could we have done more to contain the flames or even to prevent it in the first place? And that is exactly what the team behind Firefly has been determined to work towards. Containing bushfires is an incredibly lofty undertaking. In previous years, drones have been deployed to survey the expanse of the bushfire and to aid in the efforts to extinguish the flames. Using artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms, Firefly fits these drones with the capability to automatically detect flames in even the most volatile environments. Drone surveillance footage is often manually checked by human personnel, and this may be susceptible to human error in locating flames, especially small ones that are scattered about. Ground-level firefighters also endanger their lives by inhaling toxic smoke and being trapped by falling trees and branches during scouting operations. Firefly allows the mitigation of these risks by allowing drones to perform both aerial and ground-level scouting and detection of any flames in the vicinity. In order to visualize the capabilities of Firefly, a seamless and intuitive web application has been prepared. The web application provides comprehensive details regarding Firefly, including other potential use cases aside from bushfire detection. Information and contact details of the team behind Firefly can also be accessed, along with our mission and vision regarding the project and our dedication to see it through. Firefly uses a state-of-the-art YOLO V8 algorithm that has been trained on hundreds of images of flames in different environments. The web application allows to showcase its flame detection abilities to make it detect flames in images, pre-uploaded videos, and even in real time using a webcam. With the Earth's temperature increasing year by year, experts in the field warn that bushfire seasons will only become more destructive as time passes. Thus, it is now more important than ever to leverage the capabilities that artificial intelligence provides us to mitigate the risks for a safer world and for a safer Australia.